Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM concept series, in this video we'll see by using APM command to get the device date and time for both iOS and Android. Okay, so we have two methods, that is the get device time, okay, and get device time, and we can give the format also, in which format we need to get the date and time of the device. Okay, so if you go further, what exactly the get device time method talks about. Okay, by using get device time method, we'll be able to get the device date and time for both iOS and Android. So in case of emulator or simulator, we'll get the host time in return for the simulator. Okay, and the default format will be year, okay, which is YYYY hyphen M, that is a month, okay, and hyphen D, that is a date, and T is append only the character. The T is just a character here, and double H is the hours, and double M is the minutes, and double S is the seconds, and Z, this Z is the time zone. Okay, and this compiles in the ISO 8601 format. Okay, and it will return the device date and time in a string format. Okay, the return type will be string when you are using this device get device time method. Okay, and we have one more method in the get device type where we can able to give the format. Okay, so default, if you use without any arguments, okay, then the return type will be in this format, and if you want a particular format, okay, then you can have to pass this arguments, okay, as a for the method to get the specific format we want as per our requirement. Okay, so now we'll go and we'll create a class. So in demo package I am creating a class. Just say device date and time demo. Okay, so we are naming the class as device date time demo. Okay, so what I will do, I have already created the setup and tear down methods. I just copy this one and paste here so that you can save the time. Okay, so I had to remove the unwanted package name here. So remove this one and remove the class here and rename the class from sample to the device date time demo. Okay, so my setup method and tear down methods are ready. Okay, and here in capabilities I have used, okay, set platform name as Android, set automation name as UI automated true, and the device name is a Pixel 8 Pro of my emulator. Okay, so now we need to get the device date and time. Okay, so the first step is get the, I'm writing a get the comment here, get the device date and time. Okay, so what I had to driver, okay, dot get device time. Okay, I want a default time. Okay, I'm not giving any format here. Okay, and the return type, as I told, it is the string. Okay, the string. So what I will do, go back to the Eclipse and say I create one string, okay, and say device date time. Okay, I created one string type, okay, and device date and time. Okay, just use here. Okay, just I'm passing this value to the device date and time. Okay, now I want to print this one. So I say print. So print. I say Just use this one. Say as this value here, device date and time. Okay, now we are not formatting it, just we are giving the default date and time here I want. Okay, by using this method. Okay, so my emulator is ready and I want to run the Appium server. Let's say Appium. Okay, now I'll run the code. Let's say, and it has to get the device date and time of this emulator here. Okay. See, the device date and time is the year, month and date, and T is the just a character here, and the time is 9:33. Okay, and the seconds 14 seconds, and you can see here the plus 05.30 is the time zone. Okay, I am in IST time zone. Okay, and for Greenwich time, that is a GMT time, we need to add plus 5:30 here. Okay, to get the GMT time. Okay, that is the symbolize the Z here. So whatever is seen here is Z. The Z has been time zone. Okay, and it will show that current zone plus the GST. That is a GMT. Okay, that is a Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, that is the meaning of Z here. Okay, and by using the we got the device date and time by using the default method, that is the get device timeout, and we are passing this to the string variable here, and we are printing here. The first method we got it. Okay, now we'll customize it. Okay, we'll customize the device date and time. Okay, as per our requirement here. So what I say get date and device date and time in required format. Okay, how we can able to do it. Okay, so we have the same method here. Just copy this one. I say just copy, otherwise we'll type here. Okay, device date and time, there is a variable string type, and I say driver dot get device. Already we have used this default one, and I want to format. Okay, I use this get device date, so device time. Okay, device time here, and I want to give the format here. Okay, so I want only the year. So I say year, and it is string type. I need to give the double quotation here. So I want only the year now. Okay, so I want to print the only for year. Okay, and I want to print in the console. Say date. I want only date. I just add is a formatted one. Okay, and I say the format will be year. Okay, and same thing I will run with the only I want the here is the problem with the copy paste. I want only double Y. Okay, this is for year. Okay, now I want the same for the month. Okay, this is for the date. Okay, this is for month. I want for month. Okay, just copy here and just say okay, I want now month. Year I got, I want month. So we'll check all the options here. Okay, and here it will be month. Okay, in month. And now I want this what say DD. I want date also. Okay, I want date, and just say date. Day, I want day, and say DD. Okay, here also I need to update it. Okay, so I am printing the year. Okay, in this format, and here in this format, and month and date. Okay, this is for date. Okay, now I just run it and we'll check it. Okay, I want to give me color here. Now run it. The first step is to get the default date and time, and next is the year. Okay, and next step is I want year in double Y only, so format I given here. So you can see here, see when I given the double Y it is the 2025, and double Y is 25 it is, and month is 1, that is January, and DD is the day. Okay, this is for the day. Okay, now I want for the time. Okay, just I copy this one and I want for the time. Okay, just edit it, just remove this one. This is for the day and this is for the time. Device time. Okay, and this is the hours. I want in hours. Okay, and just give this one, hours, and minutes. So give small mm. Okay, this is for small mm, and here seconds, small ss. Okay, and here what I will do, I will give this z also. Okay, this z, so that I get the time zone, means that is the how much difference between my time zone and the GMT. Okay, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, so we'll check that one also. So let's go back to the this one. I say instead of DD I say Z. I don't do capital Z here. Okay, zone. I say bracket. I say zone. Okay, and I will give the T also. I said T is nothing but a simple character here, nothing with significance here. So I will check. We will check that one also. Okay, so go back here and just say T. Okay, and just give T here, capital T. Okay, here also T. Okay, so here the first one we are given the date. Okay, we are given in this format, and the time. Okay, so hours double H I have to give, minutes small double m, for seconds small double s, and zone for Z, and T for nothing. It is just a character here, and we will check it out here. Okay, so we are given here, and just say run. Say run. So you can see it has printed the first one is a default method I have used here, get device time. Okay, so I got the date and time. Okay, it is in this format, whatever we discussed, a default format here. Okay, that is a double m hyphen double y hyphen double m hyphen dd. T is a character, and double H hours, which is uppercase, and double m, which is a smaller case, and ss is a seconds, and z is the difference between the current time zone plus the GMT. It will show that particular it will add that time zone here, means that is that time it will show how much we need to add there. Okay, so we'll come back to this one. You can see here. Okay, the first one is a default one, we have used this one. Okay, just move it. Okay, and next one is the device date. That is it says I have given the format here double y. Okay, that is the 2025, and then I given the format head double y here 25. It is, that is the 25, and double m is the month 01, and dd, that is the date, is 18. Hours is the 21, minutes is a 40, seconds is 23, and GC is the zone. Okay, plus 530 here, means from IST I need to add 530 to get the Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. Okay, that is time zone. And T, I had told that this T had no significance here, that is the T is just a character here. Okay, so here I will say remove this one, I say as a time. Okay, same thing. So in format device time it is. Okay. That's it. Okay, this is how we had to get this. Okay, I run once again. Okay, I run on.